Greetings, distinguished guests. Welcome to 0618.io, your ultimate resource for mastering trading. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our platform provides valuable insights and strategies to improve your trading success. Kindly subscribe and activate notifications to stay informed. In this video, I will show you the Donchian Channels indicator and Donchian Channels trading strategies. If you are interested in trading content, you can subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the definition of Donchian Channels. Donchian Channel Indicator. Donchian Channels are a technical indicator used to determine trends and potential breakouts. To use the Donchian Channels indicator, go to Indicators, search for Donchian Channels, and choose it. It can be used with default settings. The indicator consists of 3 lines. 1. Upper band. 2. Lower band. 3. Middle band, the average of the upper and lower bands. How to identify trends. To identify trends. Upward trend, if all bands are heading upward and the price is near the upper band. Downward trend, if all bands are heading downward and the price is near the lower band. Note, the Donchian Channels indicator can give false signals in a sideways market. Keynotes about Donchian Channels. Can be used to determine trends. Can act as support and resistance. Can be combined with RSI, MACD, or moving average. Donchian Channels trading strategies, buy signal strategy. For this strategy, I will use the 200 EMA, which is commonly used to identify long-term trends. Upward trend, if the price is above the 200 EMA. Support and resistance. The upper band acts as resistance and the lower band as support. Breakout. Wait for a breakout above the upper band for a potential buy signal. Entry point. When the price breaks the upper band, use this signal as an entry point. Stop loss. Always use a stop loss for risk management. Sell signal strategy. Downward trend, if the price is below the 200 EMA. Support and resistance. The upper band acts as resistance and the lower band as support. Breakout. Wait for a breakout below the lower band for a potential sell signal. Entry point. When the price breaks the lower band, use this signal as an entry point. Stop loss. Always use a stop loss for risk management. RSI indicator and strategy. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is an indicator that shows overbought and oversold areas, ranging from 0 to 100. Values above 70 indicate overbought conditions, and values below 30 indicate oversold conditions. RSI Divergence Strategy. RSI divergence occurs when the price moves in the opposite direction of the RSI. Bullish divergence, the price makes a lower low, but the RSI makes a higher low, indicating a potential price increase. Bearish divergence, the price makes a higher high, but the RSI makes a lower high, indicating a potential price decrease. Conditions for entry points. Bullish divergence, price near the lower band and RSI in the oversold area. Bearish divergence, price near the upper band and RSI in the overbought area. Conclusion. In this video, I showed you the Donchian Channels indicator and trading strategies. If you liked the video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.